Yo, what's good, boys? Pumping out. Jesus Christ, my dream. Pumping out the videos today. Um, we're back. We literally just jumped back on the charts. So this trade right now. And yeah, we're just gonna break that shit down, man. So starting with the daily time frame. We're bullish daily. 4 hour time frame. Bearish. And also bearish. 1 hour time frame. Till 2. So we're bearish. So what we had marked was this hourly fair value gap, and then we had these 15-minute highs, hourly highs, all marked. As you can see, I deleted it because it got in the way of the breaker structure. I had that marked, but I'll show you it got in the way of the breaker structure. So we had these 15-minute highs in this hourly imbalance. We swept liquidity and we're in an imbalance. Like I said in the last videos, literally that's what I've been seeing works. You need to sweep liquidity first, so this needs to be before, and then you can be in a bigger imbalance and just see, did we even feel 50%? No, that's the wrong way. Didn't feel 50%, didn't need to, because we had another imbalance there, which probably did. Yeah, and it probably was a 30-minute as well. So these 15-minute highs in this hourly imbalance, was it a 4-hourly imbalance too? Not at the time of trading it, but yeah, so 15-minute highs, imbalance, cool. We've got our liquidity marked. Also had these if it wanted to come a bit higher. Then we jumped on the 5-minute time frame, and even this is late into session. It's PM session, I think it's called. It doesn't really matter. Like, look at the movement still. We still moved. How many points did we move? Oh, I'm still struggling to read points. 153 points. I might be wrong. Might be right. I think you literally just 153 points because I had 800 points stop. So as you can see, we come up, we sweep this high. We then come up, waiting on break structure. This low didn't get. I can delete these high line now. This low got put in, never got broke. This low got put in, broke, but no fair value gap. Then we had this low get put in, as we had to move down, move up. That's our new high. That's our new low. We broke structure. And a lot of people would also class that as a break structure. It's not. It's only the recent. That's just breaking another low. It's not a break structure. So as you see, break structure, we come down, and we have also equilibrium. Whether it got used, I don't actually think it did. Barely got used, like it almost got used. Let me turn off this now. Barely got used. Came up really close to it, to be fair. But we had this 15-minute gap. Did he use? No, I wouldn't have used 15-minute equilibrium. But we had this 15-minute gap right here, which was also this small 5-minute gap. This I don't even know. I think they call it a breaker block, whatever. But mainly it was this 15-minute gap right here. And as you can see, price come up, had like could have really entered there. Target the same. You got the same targets. Price came back up. Let me actually mark it on charts. Price came back up. Had this hammer out. It looks like a hammer, so I'm calling it a hammer. And it didn't really know. Strong. Then I entered from there. You could have also entered on there. Stops below the candle body of this, otherwise it literally would have been not even worth. Would have been 1.5 R. So we put it at this body because, yeah, I mean, realistically, we could have even had it at the top of the fair value gap body. Could have had it there. But we wanted to protect ourselves like you should. So had it here. Entered, went break even here, hit full TP. Could have closed half here, but I'd rather just go break even, to be honest. But yeah, that was the trade that I've just taken on FxReplay. Just so you guys know, I'm not just a merchant of hindsight. I'm not just a hindsight merchant. I actually know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm going to post this again. I'm just smashing out the content. To be fair, yesterday was quite unproductive, so I'm just smashing out content now. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.